To use Chime Spotme with Credit Builder, start by understanding what each feature offers. Chime Spotme is a service that allows you to overdraft up to a certain amount without incurring fees, while Credit Builder is a Visa credit card designed to help you build credit. First, you need to be eligible for both Spotme and Credit Builder. To be eligible for Spotme, you need to receive a direct deposit of at least $200 or more within 45 days of opening a Chime checking account. For Credit Builder, you must have a Chime checking account and be at least 18 years old. Once you are eligible, apply for Credit Builder through the Chime mobile app. You will not need to undergo a credit check, and there is no annual fee or interest after approval. You can use your Credit Builder card for purchases, and Chime will report your payments to the credit bureaus to help you build credit. To use Spotme with Credit Builder, make sure you have both features enabled on your Chime account. When you make a purchase using your Credit Builder card, the payment will be deducted from your Chime checking account. If you do not have sufficient funds, Spotme will cover the overdraft up to your eligible amount. To repay your Credit Builder balance, you can set up automatic payments from your Chime checking account. This way, you can ensure that you are making timely payments and avoiding any potential overdrafts. It is essential to make regular payments to build credit and avoid negatively affecting your credit score. Best practices for using Chime Spotme with Credit Builder include keeping track of your account balances, making timely payments, and avoiding overspending. By following these steps and using both features responsibly, you can build credit and enjoy the benefits of Spotme without incurring fees or damaging your credit score.